Guys, it is time for me to boil my fish. I cannot be talking so much on this video, but I'm going to cook rice and sea fish, okay, so that everybody will understand. Because of the music at the background, because Obi is playing music, so I don't want the music to come out on my video. I'm going to put some water inside, then just cover it, and I'm going to cover it and leave it for 30 minutes to get cooked. So when you see inside, my fish is inside. So I don't have to put salt because it is already salty. Then cover everything. Then I'm going to bring out other fishes. Then and start cutting them. Use breadcrumbs and all the stuff. So some parts where I'm not speaking, just know that it's because of maybe I am trying to focus. All right, let's go. Oh. Change it.
Okay.
It's not 34.
Okay, now 34.
No, change it. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Birthday boy.
34.
No, 43.
No, 34.
43.
Look now.
43. 43 years
34.
old. 43 years old. Today you are 43. Look at my husband, mother. She came to come and celebrate with us. Hey, I feel good.
Abby, está volando via.
Mama, are you proud of him? Say fiera di Luca. See? Hey, Mama is proud of him. He's proud of his son. Adi, are you proud of yourself that
No,
you are 43,
I'm busy.
That you are 43 years old today?
34.
43.
Look.
You are not a boy anymore.
34.
You are not a man.
I'm a boy.
You are a man.
Get out of
43 years old is Luca today.